Twoloosebricksters and Lego friends! Yes, celebration time! We have hit the 600 subscriber mark, and that is awesome! You know, my goal right now is to get to 1,000, and at 1,000 there will be a giveaway, a nice giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So help me get there if you will, please. Tell your friends and family to join and watch my videos because they are of interesting content. And if you have any questions or comments that you would like to see something in one of my videos, please feel free to do so. I'm open to all kinds of suggestions, and I will also help you on topics of building something or adding lighting or electronics or something like that. Anything that you would like besides my regular thoughts and opinions and mocks and stuff like that. I'd like to help you guys out. I think it's fair. You help me and I'll help you. Thanks again for hitting the 600 subscriber mark, and we'll see you soon.